Mary, table 7 is ready. The couple arrives in 10 minutes.
Good. I have the menu and the candles. It looks very romantic.
Wait, I see a problem. The reservation says no onions, but the chef put onions in the soup.
Oh no, that is a big problem. She is allergic.
I need to tell the chef now.
Yes, go. I will talk to the couple when they arrive. I will offer them a free drink.
Good idea. The chef can make a new soup in 8 minutes.
Okay, I will keep them happy at the bar.
Mary, one more thing. The man wants to propose tonight. He has a ring.
Oh, this is very special. I will ask the pianist to play something romantic.
Perfect. The new soup is ready. Table 7 is set.
Great. Everything is okay now. Let's go.
Thank you, Mary. You are very fast.
We are a good team, John.